Welcome on the video of types of modulation. In the last video, we have seen modulation and need for modulation. Modulation is categorized into analog modulation and digital modulation. In this video, we are going to see basics of analog modulation. Analog modulation is classified into amplitude modulation, frequency modulation and phase modulation. As shown here, the carrier signal can be represented as AC cos 2 pi fct plus phi. AC amplitude of carrier signal, Fc frequency of carrier signal and phi is phase of the carrier signal. Amplitude modulation. In amplitude modulation, the amplitude of carrier signal varies in accordance with the message signal by keeping other parameters such as phase and frequency constant. Amplitude modulation was the earliest modulation technique used. Applications. Amplitude modulation is used in computer modems, VHF aircraft radio, portable two-way radio, etc. Next, frequency modulation. In this type of modulation, the frequency of the carrier signal varies in accordance with the message signal by keeping other parameters such as amplitude and phase constant. Applications. Frequency modulation is commonly used for broadcasting music and speech, magnetic tape recording systems, two-way radio systems and video transmission systems. Phase modulation. In phase modulation, phase of the carrier signal varies in accordance with the message signal by keeping other parameters such as amplitude and frequency constant. Application. Phase modulation is very useful in radio waves transmission and it is an essential element in several digital transmission coding schemes. Phase modulation is widely used for transmitting radio waves and it is an integral element of many digital transmission coding schemes that support an ample range of wireless technologies such as GSM, satellite television and Wi-Fi. Phase modulation is used in digital synthesizers for generating waveform and signal. Thanks for watching. Take care.